everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do some rice and peas, Jamaican style of course, with some sauteed ackee, and on the side I'm going to be having some steamed vegetables with sauteed mushroom. Alright guys, if you want to continue to watch this video, do remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, subscribe to the channel. Let's get straight into this one. Alright guys, so adding my peas to the pot, also adding in my salt, some thyme, my ginger. You see I mince it up there. My pimento berries. You want to pressure the peas until it's nice and tender. In my pot here for my ackee, adding my salt, also my ackee, and this is 2 dozen ackee guys. Alright guys, so for the rice and peas, you know, so we have to have some nice dry fresh coconut, right? Look at that guys, I'm going to use this as well in my rice and peas, alright? So remember, when you're removing the coconut from the shell, you want to use the knife away from you, right? So if it slip, it go that way, not this way to stab you. Alright guys, so now that the coconut, we ox it out, what we're going to do is just wash them off to just get off the dirt and things. So guys, what I'm doing is to just cut them in smaller size to fit in the blender, so the blender can blend them out easier, right? Alright, so I'm going to rinse this off for a second time. Alright guys, since I've cut up the coconut, I'm going to go ahead and blend it off camera and I return, alright? Straining it off guys. What I'm going to go ahead and do guys, I'm going to blend it again, the trash, one last time. I like to blend mine 2 times, no more than that. I have a cabbage here guys. What I'm going to do is to shred it. What I did guys, I've gone ahead and I've julienned some carrots. Now we're going to cut our mushrooms. Okay guys, here I have 5 cups of rice. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wash it. Back to our rice, guys. I'm going to add in my scallion, Scotch bonnet pepper, poking it for the flavor, my coconut milk. To my rice here, guys, I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of butter. The butter is optional, so I want to cook the coconut milk for a little while before adding in my rice. I have here some garlic. Add it in our rice. Okay, I'm going to work with my cabbage now. Just a little bit of oil here. Some scallion. Just a little. My carrots. Going in with my cabbage. All-purpose seasoning and salt. And a little white pepper. So now that our cabbage has pretty much reached the level that I want it to be, I'm going to turn off the heat, guys. I'm going to work with my ackee now. Going in with a little bit of oil, guys, here. What I want you guys to do, remember when you steam your cabbage or you stir fry it, don't cover it because you don't want it to continue to cook and get too overcooked. Yeah. All right, guys. So going in with my garlic and Scotch bonnet pepper. Onions, tomatoes, sweet peppers, all-purpose seasoning and salt, my thyme, my ackee, have here some black pepper, for my mushroom, guys, I'm going to need some olive oil, some butter, garlic, some Badia all-purpose seasoning, my mushrooms, and salt. This is it, guys. As soon as you see your mushrooms start quilting, good indication that they're almost done cooking. We're gonna turn off the heat. There you have it, guys. Our steamed cabbage over there looking so nice. Our sauteed ackee, our mushroom and garlic, and our rice and peas over here. Guys, I want to show you how nice and fluffy my rice is. Look at that. Our sauteed ackee, our cabbage, and there you have it, guys, a nice and delicious dinner. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time, bye.